In this video, we will explain the meaning and solutions for faults in AUX brand air conditioning units, focusing specifically on issues related to temperature sensors. Here are the error codes that indicate short circuit or open circuit problems in the temperature sensors, located in different parts of the air conditioner. Error code E1. This code is related to the room temperature sensor, which measures the air temperature that is drawn in by the internal unit's fan to get an average of the temperature within the climate-controlled space. Error code E2. This refers to the sensor on the condenser coil of the outdoor unit, which measures the refrigerant temperature as it changes phase. This allows the theoretical calculation of the refrigerant gas's saturation pressure in this part of the system. Error codes E3 and P7. These refer to the pipe temperature sensor of the indoor unit, also known as the well sensor, which measures the refrigerant temperature within the evaporator to prevent freezing in this area. Error code F6. This refers to the sensor located in the outdoor unit, responsible for measuring the air temperature drawn in by the outdoor unit's fan to average the outdoor ambient temperature. Error codes F4 and P5. These indicate a problem with the sensor located at the compressor discharge pipe, which measures the temperature of the freshly compressed gas. Error code FA. Related to the suction line thermistor of the outdoor unit, this sensor allows the electronic control to calculate the superheat of the refrigerant gas in the evaporator when the system is operating in cooling mode. Steps to resolve issues with temperature sensors. 1. Turn off the air conditioner and disconnect it for several minutes. Then, turn it back on to check if the error persists. 2. Locate the involved sensor according to the error code. 3. Check the position of the sensor. Make sure the sensor is properly placed and securely fixed in its position. 4. Ensure the sensor's connections to the electronic control board are secure and that the wires are undamaged. 5. Disconnect and reconnect the sensor. Clean the connections if necessary. 6. If the error persists, turn off the system, disconnect the sensor, and measure its electrical resistance with a multimeter set to the Killam scale. The measured value should never be 0 or infinite. When rubbing the sensor with your hand, the resistance value should decrease. 7. Compare with the specifications. If you have the equipment's manual, compare the measured value with the sensor's characteristic table. 8. If the sensor shows issues and the error persists, visually inspect the electronic control board that manages the sensor for any faults. Consider replacing the involved electronic control board if the problem continues.